We are at ADIPEC 2024 at Abu Dhabi. It is one of the biggest show for oil and gas industry. And I am having with me Sunil Walia, who is the managing director of Wollschlaeger Trading LLC. Wollschlaeger is a German company. They are in the industry for more than 80 years. But from 2005, they have started their operations here. Mr. Walia is leading this growth. So great to see a lot of industrial products offered for the oil and gas sector.
So Hari, first of all, thank you very much for talking to us and for visiting us. We are a very old company, 80 years in Germany, and we have established the business here since over 20 years time. So we are a one shop solution to our customers. And of course, now we have been working with Ceratizit for now a few years time. We have a dedicated team. You need to offer engineering solutions to customer, and that's where we are. ADIPEC is one of the biggest shows here. It started in, I think, early 80s, but I would say in the last 20 years time, with a lot of investment into the energy sector, ADIPEC has become very important. I think it's the biggest show in the Middle East for the oil and gas.
What are the kind of products you represent and what are the kind of industries you serve here?
We actually focus on 5 business segments. One is primarily is oil and gas, because that's where that's what drives the GDP in UAE, in Middle East primarily. But other than that, we have got around 4 business segments like power generation, military, aerospace, and industry. So these are the 5 sectors which we are doing it, and most of our all products are engineering products. They complement each other. So we have got sales team, we have got product managers who takes care of the industry and the business.
You are based out of Abu Dhabi,
yeah,
with an office in Dubai. So when you are talking about Middle East, you also take care of the other markets like Saudi, maybe the African countries. Like Dubai is or UAE is considered as a trade hub.
Exactly. So Abu Dhabi is the hub for oil and gas. The central government is based in Abu Dhabi. The oil and gas hub is Abu Dhabi, so we have been based in Abu Dhabi. But then we have got people based in Dubai. Then we work with a lot of partners, customers, and across the Middle East. Saudi has been faring very well. There's a lot of investment in oil and gas in Saudi. Qatar was one country where there were some issues, political issues, few years back, but it's all smoothened out. So we work in Qatar and Oman. Oman is next door. So that's how we try to cover our business. So it's primarily on engineering solutions to our customers.
So I have seen that you have many products. One of the products is Ceratizit. So I know Ceratizit, many cutting tool manufacturers are there, but then what makes Ceratizit different is the kind of innovations what they bring in and the focus they do in the sustainability. They understand. So how Ceratizit, your association with Ceratizit, and how it is helping the oil and gas sector?
I would say Ceratizit is a very good brand. It's a well-known brand. We started the collaboration with them in 2020 onwards, 2019 onwards. Unfortunately, that was a COVID time, so about 1.5 years time there was a slow movement was there. But being a good name in the product, with the pre-qualifications into the aviation sector, it makes a lot of difference. You can have a good manufacturer, but you need to have a good distribution network. So this is where we come into picture. This is a value addition we bring into picture. The good thing is Ceratizit being a multinational company with manufacturing in a lot of places, we are able to get the best out of from them. So primary focus is to get the goods from Europe. But wherever it is required, we are also able to get the products from India, which is very easy, close by. Logistics costs are very less. The other thing is, for products like this, you need to provide engineering solutions. You need to go to the niche business segments. This is the pre-qualification Ceratizit had, and this is the support we get from them.
What do you think the advantage Ceratizit is having for the Middle East market?
So Ceratizit, as I said, they were already into different business segments. One of the business segments is oil and gas. They offer special tools for the oil industry, for the piping industry, and this is what is very important for us to get it pre-qualified and work with the OEM manufacturers, with the partners who do servicing for the oil and gas industry. Plus, we keeping with good inventory, with local support from Ceratizit, that makes a big difference.
Sunilji, it was very nice talking to you, and I believe there is a lot of opportunity for industries in Middle East. I believe this area, this region is growing.
Oh, definitely. I think UAE as a country has there's a 4.5% growth every year. And if you look at the world economy as of now, Europe, I would say, suffering. Germany, with our biggest market, is a little bit more suffering than there. So there are a lot of opportunities in the Middle East. So it's not only the question of oil and gas; it is a question of the way the country is being managed. There are different sectors, different opportunities are there. Government is opening up. They are inviting the businesses to come there. It's a business-friendly country, so it makes sense to be in Middle East, and especially in UAE.
I think Ceratizit has got a very strong partner in Wollschlaegar and Sunil Walia here in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and I wish both the companies all the very best to strengthen the manufacturing sector.
Hari, thank you very much for your nice words, and of course we are very happy to be partnered with Ceratizit, a very strong company, and of course we have got a very good relationship, personal relationship with the people around, so it makes a lot of difference. Thank you very much.